Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I had some business down in Phoenix, Arizona, so I figured I would come out here by South Mountain because I've never gone to the top of this before, and I've been out here for like 17 years and I've never gone to South Mountain, so today is going to be my first trip. Of course, I've only been riding for a few years now, so I didn't really have a reason to come over here unless I wanted to do some hiking or something like that. But now that I have a bike, I know that there's some roads up there that you can drive and get to some kind of scenic overlook, so I want to check that out and see what that's all about. Another reason I wanted to drive down over here today is because yesterday I just received a new camera, which is a GoPro Max. Now, I've always kind of thought that the 360 cameras were a little gimmicky. Now, my personal opinion on some of the 360 footage that I've seen is that it can be a little disorienting. So I wasn't sure. Like, I've actually picked up this camera 2 other times and then changed my mind and sent it back, but I figured this time I'm going to give it an honest chance and see what I can do with it. What I'm planning on doing is using this footage sparingly and not really moving it around too much from scene to scene, because that can make some people nauseated. So I kind of want to stay away from that, try to avoid some of the fast panning movements and that kind of stuff, and just focus on specific things. I think that's how I might try to use this camera. So wish me luck. I'm going to try some different things with this video. As I've never been here before, I'm not exactly sure where I'm going, so I'm just going to follow this main road and see where it goes. Yeah, sorry I've been kind of quiet, guys. This is it's really pretty incredible. I mean, I've lived out here for quite some time now, but it never ceases to amaze me when I go to different locations and look at everything from a different point of view. Yeah, I'll definitely be coming out this way again. About an hour drive from my house. It's not bad at all. Since we're up here looking at this awesome scenery, I'd like to give you guys a little bit of news on the channel. KSSTUDIOS.com is online. We have an active website now. Now, I've owned the domain for multiple years, and I used to have a different type of site hosted on there, but I've had the page offline for a long time, and I wanted to bring it back online, mainly because I've had a few opportunities that I needed to reach out to a few subscribers, you know, for giveaways and stuff like that, and I didn't have a really good way to do that. So there is a contact form on the website now, so if we need to get in contact for something, there's a way to do that now. I also have a blog post page on there where I plan on posting some articles, stuff that may be going along with the video that I'm doing, or maybe it's just content that I thought you might be interested in and didn't want to do a whole video on it. So, you know, news and updates are probably going to be on that page. But the coolest page, in my opinion, is the gear we use page. So instead of giving all the details of all the gear that I'm using on the motovlogs and whatnot, in the comments section of every single YouTube video, I'm just going to have a link to the website page up there, and then I'll only have one place to update that information if there are changes, like I get a new camera or something like that. I can post it up there so you'll have links to it. But that's about the only news that I had for today. I really just wanted to take this ride up here and bring you guys along with me just to see what this was all about. But yeah, South Mountain, Arizona, Phoenix area. Yeah, Superstition Mountains. I like to ride out that way. And then City of Mesa, where I live, is out in that direction. Well, guys, that's about it for this video today. Thanks again for coming along with me to South Mountain in Phoenix. I've always wanted to check this out, and now I finally know what it's all about. But as always, if you like the video, click that like button, and I will see you guys on the next one.